Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create donut chart in Microsoft Excel, which make a clear representation of data. First step, select the data that you want to be represented in the chart. I will select from January to April. Click on Insert in the tab menu. From Chart dialog box, choose Doughnut. You can adjust the position of the chart. You can change the size. It's easy to change the title. Let us make the donut chart better according to our need. Click on the blank space of the chart, which shows Chart Design tab. Change color. Which color do you prefer? You can pick it. Here you can change the chart style. The chart is dynamic, which means if we change a value in the data table, the change will be reflected in the chart. If we change the cells in January from 200 to 50, the chart shows current value. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.